So today we are talking about eggs and a little bit of myth debunked. You can eat the whole dang thing, including the yolk, even if you're struggling with some high cholesterol. Because what we know now is that the dietary cholesterol found in the yolk or red meats, that is actually not going to raise your internal cholesterol. And there's even some science to say that it can help to raise your HDL cholesterol, which is your good cholesterol and what we want to be higher. So some other nutritional benefits is that egg really has some great balances of fats and proteins. So you're having the fats that are found in the yolk and you're having the protein that's found in the whites. And that balance of protein and fats can help give you sustained energy throughout your day. And pairing it with a higher fiber carbohydrate like oatmeal or whole grain bread is a perfectly robust breakfast. So I definitely recommend including more eggs in your daily intake. Another great thing is that egg yolks have vitamin D, which is one of the very few food sources that has vitamin D. So definitely go ahead and eat that whole dang thing and enjoy it.